guys, it's me Tashana. So today I'm going to do a video about my fidget spinner. I got 2 fidget spinners. So it's a white one. This one is a glow in the dark. The other one isn't.
I have one, but I lost it.
It's blue.
Shame.
He lost it twice.
No, I didn't lose it the first time.
Jojo. Ma. Wait.
Look at my cross on moon. That's nice.
Didn't he lose his fidget spinner twice? Excuse me.
Yeah, I ain't losing. No, you did.
Well, if you guys didn't forget about this, play away at just my man. It's great. Sorry I couldn't film the whole thing because the phone keep, pausing it. So, yeah, this is my fidget spinner. It could glow in the dark. Only at night. I'll probably would try to make a video at night. Probably with my dad's phone.
No,
if I could be
wait,
alive.
Mom, that phone. Because I own his phone.
No, you don't.
Babe.
You don't own his phone. You're not on his phone all day. Well, you shouldn't if you wish. If you wish. I got some candy right here. So, yep. This is a glow in the dark. I got 2. Josh and Georgia got 1. So let's go. I forgot. So sour. Not so sour, but sour. Oh, the sourness is
Who's
still.
my fidget spinner?
Wow.
You take it. Where's my fidget spinner? If you see it somewhere, please say it in the comments. Yay, bam.
So yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do now. That's not the fidget spinner if you guys see something black right there. It's not the fidget spinner. Oh, my arm's out. Hello. Another magic. Oh, magic. Oh, what was it?
Honey, is that your lemon hat?
Hmm?
That your lemon hat?
Yeah, I got some candy more on those. I'm gonna go to sleep. Ma, do you still want candy in here? Because you haven't eaten it at all yet. I'm not trying to ask for it.
Don't I always take a long time to eat my stuff?
Yeah.
You want my candy?
Yeah, what was a gift so I can't get it? What was a gift?
I don't know.
Well, I'm
I
gonna buy.
don't need it.
Well, I'm gonna buy some candy next time. Then. So I got some candy here. There's an in here. The scales. There's the air hair on it. There's air hairs on it. It's stuck to the paper. Like that. So good. It's just sour. The white one is in the car. I'm gonna eat it. There's egg in here. I'm gonna put that in here and walk out. Oh, there's those skills. Looking for you guys. Just sour. Oh. Oh, my really good, by the way. Whenever you guys ask me in comments about my Phillies video and stuff, I could probably like make a video about me saying this stuff, yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Hey, I'm not sure you guys remember that. Guys, come on, guys. Oh, you see my baby dress right there. What are you doing? Why are you looking at me like that? So then, got some candy there. Candy. Stop it. It's a sour candy, you know. I like sour. So this don't have any sourness over it. I don't think it is. It's like it has sour. I'll try to crack it open. But I think this white stuff is sour. I don't know. Probably on different sour. This is I'm next to my fidget spinner. I'll probably do a video at night, but if it's at home, that probably. If I didn't, I would say that. So yeah. I am new to my new channel, my own channel. I never had a channel by myself. As you guys can see, it's spinning on the table. As you guys can. It's fast spinning. Let me eat my other one. Let me go for a pic. Oh, okay. Fresh guava juice. What's doing this? Fresh guava juice, ginger, pineapple, cherry heroes, and you can also use that. Don't include but doesn't have juice. And I see you. And watch some sound video. So sour though. No? like really stretchy. It's like slime. You try to make slime, but you can never make slime because we have no food. So sometimes we make slime without glue. Sour. Looks sour. Sorry. I'm not so fair. Oh, I need to get my tooth out. I should see if they look at my tooth out. I'm probably with my mom. I don't know who's this on. I'm probably with my mom. So me and my brothers made a new account, which this is mine. Roblox birthday high. So I do got Roblox. I got a good Roblox. Now I'll try it. Oh no, up to my sour head. Head, so much. Like 2 heads. Okay. Pretty sour. Sour heads is pretty sour. I don't want to eat this right now. This video was supposed to be about just food spinning, but I don't know what I'm doing now. Not one in my hand. Nah, it's on now. It's probably gonna have to wait, you guys. It's gonna have to wait. Oh, drop. Okay. Trying to open this airhead. I was just about to pause the video. Just stop the video. I like airheads. It is good. It's very still spinning. I'm not just my food spinning. That's very good. Look at the good sound in my mouth.